Hello, my name is Amanda Stenger. I am a support specialist here with MBA. And today I wanted to go over a quick tip with you regarding incident management, specifically a tip regarding using incident management and creating quick incidents. Okay, so if we are in the district office, we would navigate to district management, behavior, incident action association, and this is the setting I want to talk about. This is the Quick Incident Action Association. So essentially, what this is going to do is when you create a quick incident, this setting is going to tell you whether or not you want that action that's a result of that incident tied to the participant, or do you want that tied to the behavior. This setting can be very impactful, especially if you are in a state that requires a certain hierarchy in incident management where the action has to be tied to the behavior and then the behavior is tied to the student. So it's a little setting that's kind of hidden, uh, but I definitely encourage you to take a look and check it out and make sure that it's still what needs to be for working for your district. Again, it will only impact those with quick incidents, so those who created an incident using quick incident. But I'm going to change this to behavior and then make sure, as always, you hit submit on the page. That way your changes take effect. And now any quick incidents that are created in this environment will have the action associated to the behavior. I hope you enjoyed this tip and stay tuned to our site for more quick tips. Thanks. Bye-bye.